the channel. How you're doing? Right, so cryptocurrency and blockchain platforms are really trying to push the banking era to an end, and it's really funny and very interesting, right? So a big one right here. Binance is one of the biggest exchanges in the world, and right now they just introduced crypto loans, and it's actually very easy. So this is it, straight to the point. So they're giving you 20% off. So crypto loans, get a loan secured by your crypto assets, guaranteed approval. Right, so what you do is, if you need like $1,000, so have to charge, you have to deposit Bitcoin that is way bigger than that asset. Here's a quick example. Assuming you need $100, you have to deposit around 0.02 Bitcoin. Just in case you're wondering how much 0.02 Bitcoin is, that's let me do a quick conversion in my order system. 0.02 Bitcoin. What is 0.02 Bitcoin? So while that is loading, let's see. All right, so 65%. Okay. All right, so here's the interest rates: 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, and 90 days. This is pretty cool. And guess what? Now, if I had okay, 0.02 is about $129, and your interest rate for 0.02 for getting 100 USDT will be around 0.1. So guys, if you need quick loans, right, so you can head over to Binance. Just in case you don't have a Binance account, check the description below to get an account and start getting loans. As simple as that, right? So of course, don't borrow money if you don't need it. All right, so now here's the interest rates. Okay, I've seen it right here. So if you borrow $100, you're paying 100.17. Just they're charging just 17 cents to borrow $100 for 7 days. All right, so that is pretty awesome. That's pretty nice. All right, so let's see, 14 days and 30 days. So for 90 days, you're paying just $2. I don't think there's any bank in the world that is offering this kind of service. All right, so guys, you can take advantage of this if you have quick needs for money. All right, see you later.